Coin claim button is now live. Look at it right here. It is now live, so you can now claim if you are on this very airdrop. And if you come up a little bit, they dropped this very criteria not quite long. That was on the 27th of this very month. And if you look at the criteria, we have connected ton wallets, which is the first one. We have 50 completed tags. Second one, we have 10,000 taps. We have 100 wild balance, and we have 3 W skins, and we have the last one here, 20 open W chest. And if you made the criteria, that means you should be able to claim your airdrop to your wallet, and this is super important. Now, why I'm doing this very video is because of this very claim that I just see right here, which is very, very important for all of us that took time to mine this very token. So it is now time for us to claim to our favorite wallet. However, I don't think I've seen any exchange announce this, because that is very important. It is one thing to claim and another thing to list. And for me to be very sure that the Coin team, they are ready to list this very token, I want to see exchanges begin to announce listing. And that is what we want to see in all cases, because you can claim and it will be in your wallet without listing announcement. And as we all know, this is just a dust in the pipeline. But however, no matter how dusty it's going to be, let them release the coin and let's see how it's going to be, so people will move on. And one important thing here is the price prediction. We know that the price of this very token is not going to do well. That is certain. So for 100 billion total supply, I want to use the total supply for this very price prediction. For 100 billion total supply, do you think this very token is going to do anything good? I don't think anything good is going to come out of it, because the price I am expecting, that's the minimum price, is 0.505, which is a $500,000 market capitalization as initial, and the price can move up a little bit to 0.401, which is a $1 million market capitalization right here, which is also very, very possible. So this is what I am now expecting from this very coin. I have a previous price prediction, but I've changed it based on the way things are going concerning Telegram airdrop, because PAUS, which I believe was going to do well, not very well, but at least significantly, it turned out to be completely dust. In fact, even beyond my imagination. So what do you think of Coin? Do you think it's going to do well? I don't think anything is going to come out of it. So this is my price prediction between 0.505 and 0.401 is what I am expecting this very token to turn out to be at listing. So this is very important if you are on this very airdrop. So simply claim and wait for that dust to come right away. So even though we are seeing this very claim button now active right here, you can now claim, I don't take it seriously until I see an exchange, either BitGet, Gate.io, KuCoin, any of those exchanges announce that Coin is going to get listing on their platform. That is the only time we can be very, very certain that the listing is going to happen. Claiming is good, but let's wait for that very announcement to come out from these exchanges, which is very, very important. So this is what we must have to pay attention to concerning the TGE and listing of this very token, and also price prediction. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.